I'm adding a 15-tooth front sprocket to my Honda CRF300 Rally to lower the RPMs on the highway. I've already converted over to a 38-tooth rear sprocket, and this is as small as you can go because, as you can see, these bolts here are pretty close to the teeth, and when the chain is on there, they get pretty close to that bolt. So that's as small as you can go, which is only 2 teeth down from stock. That lowered the RPMs just slightly, not enough to where I wanted it. So I've installed this 15 tooth, and as I suspected, and I think others have commented, the cover won't fit back on with this sprocket. So it's actually not the cover, but it's part of the cover. It's this metal piece. This metal piece right here, it's supposed to fit up in between the engine case and the chain. In case the chain derails, that will catch the chain and keep it from bunching up in there and destroying your motor. So it's pretty important, but I think I've read that it will fit if you grind some of this down a little, which I may do, but if you grind that down, then you're going to lose your strength, and it's probably not going to do any good if the chain derails. So I'm just going to run it without the cover for now. I don't typically like these plastic covers. They really just collect mud when you get in the mud. Makes it harder to wash, keep the sprocket and chain clean. So if anyone's interested, after I've told you all the problems, this is the sprocket. They're actually kind of hard to find online. I got this from Biker Bits, and they're based in, I think, Taiwan. I could be wrong there. I have a YouTube short that I put up just recently that tells you where they're from. But I'm going to take it for a ride with the 15 and the 38, and hopefully my RPMs will come down, maybe 500. I really want to be able to cruise along at 70 for a long distance without feeling like I'm killing the motor. And I know others have said that it should be fine, and it probably is. This motor is made to rev. I just would feel a little more comfortable if the RPMs were lower. It seems a little less buzzy when it's not screaming. So I will test it out and report back. Thanks for watching.